Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we dive deep into the fascinating research comparing the heart health benefits of vegan and omnivorous diets, the downside taste. Perhaps these diet plans are not everyone's cup of tea. Tune in as we explore why a vegan diet could be beneficial for your heart, but might not win any points with your taste buds. New studies have consistently shown notable differences between the two diet groups. People who followed a vegan diet managed to lose more weight compared to those eating an omnivorous diet. Despite promising results, it's essential to consider the limitations of these studies, such as small sample sizes and challenges in maintaining dietary satisfaction. However, many participants express intentions to continue with their assigned diets, suggesting potential long-term adherence. The findings from these studies have significant implications for public health and dietary recommendations. Further research is needed to explore strategies for enhancing the sustainability and long-term adherence to vegan diets, while also addressing dietary satisfaction concerns. In conclusion, new studies highlight the potential benefits of adopting a vegan diet for weight management. By leveraging these insights, we can refine dietary recommendations to better promote overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Click the link below for my highly recommended ebook on vegan diets.